Today, we're gonna discuss home living adaptability to a wheelchair user. You have to consider the height of your seat of your wheelchair. You're able to adjust the switches of your home. Okay. Then, you have to also adjust all your appliances. And you can maneuver inside your home using all the appliances, such as your TV, your electric fan, and the other electric fan. Although I'm just renting at this place, this is really adaptable to a wheelchair living. This door is a sliding door for opening, closing. Then we're gonna have the switches in the room still can be reached by